Hello everyone, welcome to this series on the history of English literature. And in this video, we are going to discuss the modern age and the beginnings of the poetic drama. Introduction. The late 19th and early 20th centuries, known as the modern age, were a period of significant transformation in English and Irish theatre. Amid the dominance of realist and naturalistic drama, the pursuit of poetic drama emerged as a niche yet enduring endeavour. Despite the concerted efforts of major Victorian poets, the tradition of poetic drama struggled to establish itself during the early modern age. By 1920, signs of a poetic drama rebirth began to surface, although the prevailing theatrical environment, which favoured realism, posed substantial challenges. This video explores the beginnings of poetic drama in the modern age, highlighting key playwrights, their contributions, and the obstacles they faced in an era dominated by realistic and naturalistic narratives. Absence of a poetic drama. Victorian poets' efforts. Throughout the Victorian era, major poets endeavoured to establish a tradition of poetic drama, infusing theatre with verse and lyrical expression. These efforts aimed to elevate dramatic literature by blending poetic language with theatrical storytelling. Lack of success. Despite their literary prowess, Victorian poets are unable to create a sustained and influential tradition of poetic drama. The dominant trend in theatre leaned heavily towards realism, making it difficult for poetic drama to gain traction. The theatrical atmosphere was largely unsupportive of the lyrical and romantic qualities that poetic drama embraced, resulting in limited acceptance and recognition. Early attempts at poetic drama. W.B. Yeats and the Abbey Theatre. Yeats's efforts. At the Abbey Theatre, W.B. Yeats sought to revive poetic elements within drama. His ambition was to infuse plays with the emotional and lyrical depth characteristic of poetry. Challenges. However, Yeats's efforts were hindered by a lack of essential dramatist skills. While his poetic vision was artistically rich, it did not fully align with the structural and narrative demands of dramatic theatre. This misalignment limited his success in establishing a robust tradition of poetic drama on the stage. Stephen Phillips. Blank verse plays. Stephen Phillips attempted to pioneer poetic drama through his blank verse plays, including Paolo and Francesco 1900, Herod 1901, Ulysses 1902, The Son of David 1904, and Nero 1906. Limited appeal. Despite producing several ambitious works, Phillips struggled to achieve significant popular appeal. His plays, while poetic in inspiration, failed to resonate broadly with audiences who were increasingly drawn to the more relatable and realistic narratives of their time. John Masefield. Experiments in poetic drama. John Masefield also ventured into poetic drama, experimenting with verse in his theatrical works. His efforts included integrating poetic language and themes into his plays. Limited success. Masefield's poetic experiments met with limited success as audiences remained more engaged with the prevailing realistic and naturalistic dramas. His attempts did not create the desired impact, further highlighting the challenges faced by poetic drama in gaining widespread acceptance. Gordon Bottomley and amateur theatre. Powerful poetic dramas. Gordon Bottomley emerged as a notable exponent of poetical drama, crafting powerful dramas that combined poetic language with evocative themes. His notable works include The Crier by Night 1902, Midsummer Eve 1905, King Lear's Wife 1915, Grosh 1921, and Culbin Sands 1932. Amateur theatre hope. Despite the artistic strength of his plays, Bottomley found greater success and appreciation within amateur theatre circles. Mainstream audiences continued to prefer realistic drama, limiting the commercial success of his poetical endeavors. Nevertheless, his work demonstrated the potential of poetic drama to create compelling and atmospheric storytelling. John Drinkwater. Poetic dramas. John Drinkwater contributed to the early development of poetic drama with his works such as Rebellion 1914, The Storm 1915, The God of Quiet 1916, and X is equal to O, A Night of the Trojan War 1917. Early career. Drinkwater began his career with a focus on poetic dramas, aiming to blend poetic elements with dramatic narratives. However, his plays did not achieve substantial commercial success, underscoring the persistent challenges of promoting poetic drama in an era dominated by realism. Lord Dunsany and prose-based poetic drama. Dramatic works in prose. Lord Dunsany distinguished himself by creating poetic dramas written in prose, thereby blending romance and evocative atmospheres with theatrical narratives. His notable works include The Glittering Gate 1909, The Gods of the Mountain 1911, A Night at Inn 1916, The Queen's Enemies 1916, The Laughter of the Gods 1919, and 1921. One-actors and romantic themes. Dunsany specialized in one-act plays that emphasized powerful atmospheres, often drawing inspiration from Oriental themes. His ability to conjure vivid and immersive settings provided a unique approach to poetic drama. Although his works remained more niche and did not fully establish a widespread poetic drama tradition. Contribution. Through his prose-based poetic dramas, Dunsany introduced elements of romance and atmospheric storytelling to the theatrical landscape. His plays showcased potential of poetic drama to create enchanting and evocative narratives, enriching the diversity of English and Irish theatre. Synge's poetic drama. J. M. Synge. True poetic drama qualities. J. M. Synge emerged as the most successful and influential figure in the realm of poetic drama during the modern age. Although his plays were not written in verse, they embodied the essence of poetic drama through their emotional depth and incorporation of Irish legends, folklore, and peasant life. Deviation from verse. Synge's approach deviated from traditional poetic drama by focusing on emotion, legends, folklore, and the lives of the Irish peasantry. This focus allowed his plays to maintain a poetic quality without relying solely on verse, making them more accessible and relatable to contemporary audiences. Impact. Synge's works such as The Playboy of the Western World and Riders to the Sea offered a poetic quality in their exploration of human emotions and cultural narratives. His ability to blend poetic expression with dramatic storytelling surpassed the efforts of his predecessors, achieving both artistic and popular success. Synge demonstrated that poetic drama could thrive within a realistic framework, effectively bridging the gap between poetic aspirations and dramatic integrity. Conclusion. The beginnings of poetic drama in the modern age highlighted a period of experimentation and gradual revival amid a predominantly realistic theatrical environment. Pioneers like T. W. Robertson, Stephen Phillips, Gordon Bottomley, and Lord Dunsany laid the groundwork for poetic drama, despite facing significant challenges in gaining widespread acceptance. The efforts of J. M. Synge ultimately demonstrated the viability and enduring appeal of poetic drama, blending emotional depth with cultural richness. While the tradition of poetic drama did not dominate the theatrical landscape, its emergence and contributions of these early dramatists enriched the diversity of English and Irish theatre, leaving a lasting legacy that continues to inspire contemporary playwrights. So this was the discussion on the modern age and the beginnings of poetic drama. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other topic. Until then, goodbye and thank you.